Hello students and good morning. So now I am doing class for class 10. The topic is the same topic that we were doing in the last online class. That is the chapter Concept of Measurement of Angles from Trigonometry. So today is the continuation class of this chapter. So let us work out exercise 20, page number 277 from the book Ganit Prakash for class 10 by West Bengal Board of Secondary Education. So let's do this question number 14. That is from very short answer type of question. That is the question is from objective type of question which carries 1 mark. Okay. So now let's do this multiple choice question type. You have to choose the correct option. So question number 1 is the end point of the minute hand of a clock rotates in 1 hour. So the angle made by it is, if the end point of the minute hand of a clock rotates in 1 hour, it makes one complete revolution in 1 hour. So what is the angle made by it? Whether it is A, pi by 4 radian, B, pi by 2 radian, C, pi radian, or D, 2 pi radian. Okay. So let's do this question now. So now in this case, let us draw a clock here. Let us draw a clock. त हामी एउटा घडी बनाउँदैछौँ, ठीक छ। त घडीमा के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि मिनट ह्यान्ड हुन्छ, एउटा आवर ह्यान्ड हुन्छ, अनि एउटा सेकेन्ड ह्यान्ड पनि हुन्छ। सेकेन्ड ह्यान्ड चाहिँ के हुन्छ, घुमिरहन्छ हैन। सपोज दिस इज 12, दिस इज 6, दिस इज योर 3 and this is your 9. So 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. So suppose this is the minute hand. Okay. And now this is the hour hand. This is known as the hour hand. Okay. And this is what? This is the second hand. It rotates here. Okay. यो जुन चाहिँ सेकेन्ड ह्यान्ड छ, यो चाहिँ यहाँ घुमिने रहन्छ। यो जुन चाहिँ सेकेन्ड ह्यान्ड छ, दिस इज नोन एज द सेकेन्ड ह्यान्ड. दिस इज नोन एज व्हाट? दिस इज नोन एज मिनट ह्यान्ड. दिस इज नोन एज मिनट ह्यान्ड. This is known as what? Hour hand. Hour hand. अनि यसलाई चाहिँ हामी के भन्छौँ? सेकेन्ड ह्यान्ड. यो सेकेन्ड ह्यान्ड चाहिँ this is known as what? Second hand. Okay. So now in this case, this is known as minute hand. यो अलिकति ठुलो हुन्छ. यो hour hand भन्दा यो minute hand अलिकति ठुलो हुन्छ. That is known as minute hand. And this is your hour hand, and this is the second hand. यो second hand चाहिँ के हुन्छ, घुमिनै रहन्छ त्यहाँ घडीमा, ठीक छ। त यहाँ क्वेशनमा के भन्दैछ, the end point of the minute hand of a clock rotates in 1 hour. Rotates in 1 hour. It will rotates in 1 hour. It will make one complete revolution in 1 hour. That is, what is the angle made by it? That is 360 degree. It rotates in 1 hour. That means it will make one complete revolution in 1 hour. This minute hand. The end point, that is the end point of the minute hand of a clock rotates in 1 hour. It will make one complete revolution. That is, it will make 360 degree. 360 degree means 2 pi radian. So which is the correct answer here? D. 2 pi radian is the correct answer out here. So D, 2 pi radian is correct. 2 pi radian is correct. So is that clear to all of you? So you can draw the figure also. In order to understand it, you draw the figure. Okay. So the correct answer is D, that is 2 pi radian. Now we'll do the next question. So now we'll do the next question, that is 14a number 2. Pi by 6 radian equals to number A. Is it 60 degree? Number B, is it 45 degree? Number C, is it 90 degree? And number D, is it 30 degree? So let us check it. So therefore pi by 6 radians is given in circular measure. You have to convert it into sexagesimal system, that is in terms of degrees. So pi means 180 degree divided by 6, which is equal to, if you cancel it, you will get 6 30s are 180. That means 30 degree. So which is the correct option here? D. D is the correct option out here. So D, 30 degree is correct. So D, 30 degree is correct. Okay. So let's do the next question now. So now we'll do the next question, that is number 3, 14a number 3, that is from multiple choice question. So number 3 is the circular value of each interior angle of a regular hexagon is number A pi by 3, number B 2 pi by 3, is it number C pi by 6, or D is it pi by 4? What is meant by a regular hexagon? A hexagon is a polygon which is bounded by 6 sides. Which is bounded by 6 sided. This is the 6-sided figure. Regular hexagon means hexagon. It consists of 6 sides, and all the sides are equal. So you know polygon. A polygon is a plane figure bounded by 5 or more than 5 sides. So hexagon is a plane figure bounded by 6 equal sides. This is known as regular hexagon. So you have to find out the value of each interior angle of a regular hexagon. So you know polygon, it may be 5-sided figure, it may be 6-sided figure, it may be 7-sided figure, it may be 8-sided figure, and so on. Polygon means figure bounded by 5 or more than 5 sides. That is known as polygon. So if the figure consists of 5 sides, then it is known as pentagon. If it is the polygon is of 6-sided figure, that is known as hexagon. If it is 7, then this is known as heptagon. Okay, and if it is 8, it is octagon. If it is 9, nonagon. If it is 10, it is known as decagon. Since it is given as regular hexagon, hexagon means 6-sided figure. Hexagon is a plane figure bounded by 6 sides. Regular hexagon means all the sides are equal. So how can you get each interior angle of a regular polygon of n sides? So you should know this formula. Okay. So what is the formula now? So let us write down the formula here. So let us write down the formula for each interior angle of a regular polygon of n sides. Okay. So let us write here. Let us write down the formula. Each interior angle of a regular polygon each interior angle of a regular polygon of n sides is equal to, what is the formula? 2n minus 4 by n into 90 degree. So this is the formula. That is, each interior angle of a regular polygon of n sides is equal to, what is the formula? 2n minus 4 divided by n into 90 degree. But in the question it is given that each interior angle of a regular hexagon means n is equal to 6. This is the n-sided figure. What is the value for each interior angle of a regular polygon of n sides? It is 2n minus 4 upon n into 90 degree. Since it is the case of hexagon, so therefore each interior angle of a regular hexagon, regular hexagon means six-sided figure. That means n is equal to 6. So its interior angle of a regular hexagon, n is equal to 6, is equal to 2 into n is 6 here, minus 4 divided by 6 into 90 degree. Is that clear to all of you? That is the formula. You should know it. Okay. So this is 2 6 are 12 minus 4 divided by 6 into 90 degree. You can cancel it. 6 ones are 6. 6 ones are 6. 36 fives are 30. Which is equal to 12 minus 4 is 8 into 15 degree. And 15 into 8 is 120 degree. Is that clear? Now let us convert this sexagesimal system into circular system or circular measure. So this 120 should be multiplied by pi by 180 in order to convert it into circular measure. Okay, here 0 0 gets cancels. 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, which is equal to 2 pi by 3. So which is the correct option in this case? This B is the correct option. That means you can write B, 2 pi by 3 is correct. So here 2 pi by 3 is correct. So I think you have understood it. So this question is very, very important. So you can mark it. So you can copy it. Now we'll do the next question. So now we'll do the next question, that is 14A number 4. So question number 4 here is also the multiple choice question type is there. The measurement of theta in the relation to S is equal to R theta is determined by number A, sexagesimal system, number B, circular system, this is number C, this is number C. So this is number C. Those two methods, both these are included here. Both sexagesimal system and circular system are included out here. Those two methods, or number D, none of these two methods. These two methods are not included in this measurement. Okay. So which is the correct answer? So whenever we have S is equal to R theta, so in the beginning of this chapter, I already told you that this theta angle is measured in terms of circular measure. That is B is the correct option. That is circular system. So here theta is determined by circular system. So here in this problem, theta is determined by what? Circular system. By circular system. So which is the correct option? Which is the correct option in this case? That is B. That is B is the correct option in this case. That is B, circular system. Circular system is correct. That is number B, circular system is correct. So that is the correct answer. So you can copy it. So now we'll do the next question, that is question number 5, 14A number 5. This is also of multiple choice question type. In cyclic quadrilateral ABCD, if angle A is equal to 120 degree, then the circular value of angle C is whether it is A, pi by 3, B, pi by 6, C, pi by 2, D, 2 pi by 3. You have to choose the correct option. So what is meant by cyclic quadrilateral? Cyclic quadrilateral means when a quadrilateral is inscribed in a circle, then that quadrilateral is known as cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, so let us draw the figure now. So this is a circle. So if you draw a quadrilateral inside this circle, then this quadrilateral is known as what? Cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. Which is the opposite angle of A? Opposite angle of A is angle C. Opposite angle of B is angle D. And you know that there is a theorem, we have already done it in geometry. If a quadrilateral, in a cyclic quadrilateral, the sum of these opposite angles, the sum of the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. The sum of the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. That means the sum of the two angles is supplementary, means the sum of the two angles is equal to 180 degree. That is, angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degree, and angle B plus angle D is also 180 degree. So we have done this theorem in geometry, isn't it? The sum of the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. That means angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Angle B plus angle D is also 180 degree. Okay. So in the question it is given that angle A is equal to 120 degree. This angle A is equal to 120 degree. So you have to find out the circular value of angle C. So what is angle C? But you have to find out the circular value of angle C. Okay. So let us do the solution now. Since ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral, since ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral, therefore what can you write? Angle A plus angle C, that is sum of the two opposite angles, is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so what is angle A in this case? It is 120 degree plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Now what is angle C is equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree, or what is angle C is equal to, this is your 60 degree. But you have to find out the circular value of angle C. That means you have to convert this sexagesimal system into circular system or circular measure, okay, or in terms of radians. So angle C is equal to 60 into pi by 180. Okay, so here 0 0 gets cancelled, 6 1s are 6, 6 3s are 18, which is equal to, this is your pi upon 3. So which is the correct option in this case? This A is the correct option. So number A, pi by 3 is correct. So number A, pi by 3 is correct. So this is the correct answer. Is that clear? So you can copy it. Now we'll do the next question. So now we'll do next type of question, that is, let us write whether the following statements are true or false. The statement is given here. You have to check it carefully and you have to write whether the given statement is true or false. So number 1 here is, 14b number 1 here is, the angle formed by rotating a ray centering its end point in anti-clockwise direction is positive. The statement given here is, the angle formed by rotating a ray centering its end point in anti-clockwise direction is positive. Suppose this is the rotating ray. Okay, so this is the end point. Okay, so the angle formed by rotating a ray centering its end point in anti-clockwise direction. Now it is rotating in anti-clockwise direction. It is rotating in anti-clockwise direction means, what do you mean by anti-clockwise direction? Anti-clockwise direction भनेको के हो? क्लक को ठीक उल्टा घुम्दैछ. क्लक कस्तो पाराले घुम्छ? क्लक यस्तो पाराले घुम्छ क्लक रोटेट्स लाइक दिस क्लकमा चाहिँ जुन चाहिँ त्यो आवर ह्यान्ड हुन्छ मिनट ह्यान्ड हुन्छ अनि सेकेन्ड हुन्छ त्यो कस्तो पाराले घुम्छ क्लकवाइज यस्तोलाई यस्तो घुमेकोलाई हामी क्लकवाइज भन्छौँ उल्टा घुमेकोलाई हामी के भन्छौँ एन्टी क्लकवाइज बुझ्यो त एन्टी क्लकवाइज यस्तो पाराले घुम्दैछ भने हामी यसलाई पोजिटिभ डिरेक्सन भन्छौँ यो भयो एन्टी क्लकवाइज डिरेक्सन इज इट द्याट इज एन्टी क्लकवाइज दिस इज एन्टी क्लकवाइज डिरेक्सन त एन्टी क्लकवाइज डिरेक्सन छ भने के हुन्छ इट इज अलवेज पोजिटिभ डिरेक्सन एन्टी क्लकवाइज डिरेक्सन छ भने यो जहिले पनि के हुन्छ पोजिटिभ डिरेक्सन हुन्छ इज द्याट क्लियर इफ दिस रे रोटेट्स इन एन्टी क्लकवाइज डिरेक्सन देन दिस इज पोजिटिभ एङ्गल और पोजिटिभ डिरेक्सन तर यदि if this ray rotates in clockwise direction यो हो clockwise direction यो हो clockwise direction clockwise direction हो भने चाहिँ यो के हुन्छ नेगेटिभ एङ्गल और नेगेटिभ डिरेक्सन यदि कुनै पनि रोटेटिङ रे क्लकवाइज डिरेक्सन घुम्यो भने त्यसलाई हामी नेगेटिभ डिरेक्सन भन्छौँ अथवा नेगेटिभ एङ्गल भनेर भन्छौँ ठीक छ यति दुईटा चाहिँ राम्रोसँग याद गर्ने सो नाउ इन द क्वेसन इट इज गिवन दैट द स्टेटमेंट इज द एंगल फॉर्म्ड बाय रोटेटिंग अ रे सेंटरिंग इट्स एंड पॉइंट इन एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन इज पॉजिटिव एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन इज पॉजिटिव yes this is the correct statement so you can write the statement is correct the statement is what the statement is correct. Is that clear to all of you? So now let's do this question number 2. I think I have understood this number 1. Let's do this number 2. The angle formed by completely rotating a ray twice by centering its end point in clockwise direction is 720 degree. तो यहाँ के भन्दैछ एउटा रोटेटिङ रे छ दुईपल्ट कम्प्लिट रिभोल्युसन लाउँछ दुईपल्ट कम्प्लिट रोटेसन लाउँछ हैन द एंगल फॉर्म्ड फर कम्प्लिटली रोटेटिङ अ रे ट्वाइस by centering its end point in clockwise direction. तो एउटा रोटेटिङ रे छ it will complete two complete revolution. It will complete two complete revolution. Two complete revolution लाउँछ भने 720 degree that is correct. तर यो कुन चाहिँ डिरेक्सन भन्दैछ क्लकवाइज डिरेक्सन क्लकवाइज डिरेक्सन हो भने चाहिँ यो -720 डिग्री हुनुपर्ने थियो तर यो के दिएको छ पोजिटिभ 720 डिग्री दिएको छ भनेपछि यो स्टेटमेन्ट के भयो फल्स क्लकवाइज डिरेक्सन छ भने यो नेगेटिभ एंगल हुनुपर्छ और यो नेगेटिभ डिरेक्सन हुनुपर्छ यो -720 भएको भए इट इज करेक्ट तर क्लकवाइज डिरेक्सन घुम्दैछ भने इट शुड बी नेगेटिभ 720 डिग्री बट हियर इट इज गिवन एज positive 720 degree. So this statement is false. So here you can write the statement is false. The statement is false. So I think you have understood it. त तिमीले के याद गर्नुपर्छ यदि यो जुन चाहिँ रोटेटिङ रे छ यदि यो रे चाहिँ एन्टी क्लकवाइज डिरेक्सन घुम्यो भने क्लकवाइज को ठीक उल्टा घुम्यो एन्टी क्लकवाइज भनेको क्लकवाइज को ठीक उल्टा घुम्नु त्यसलाई कस्तो खाले डिरेक्सन भनिन्छ पोजिटिभ डिरेक्सन और पोजिटिभ एंगल भनेर भनिन्छ यदि कुनै पनि रोटेटिङ रे क्लकवाइज डिरेक्सन घुम्यो भने क्लक को जुन चाहिँ आवर ह्यान्ड छ मिनट ह्यान्ड छ अनि सेकेन्ड ह्यान्ड छ त्यो चाहिँ क्लकवाइज घुम्दैछ भने यस्तो घुम्छ नि हैन त्यो आवर ह्यान्ड मिनट ह्यान्ड र सेकेन्ड ह्यान्ड चाहिँ यस्तो पाराले घुम्यो भने त्यसलाई क्लकवाइज डिरेक्सन भनिन्छ यस्तो पाराले घुम्दैछ दैट इज योर क्लकवाइज डिरेक्सन यदि क्लकवाइज डिरेक्सन घुम्यो भने त्यसलाई के भन्छ नेगेटिभ डिरेक्सन और नेगेटिभ एंगल सो यो दुईटा चाहिँ तिमीले राम्रोसँग याद गर्नु सो दैट we can give the answer for these two questions. So number 1 anti-clockwise direction is positive so the statement is correct okay but in this case in clockwise direction angle is 720 degree तर यो clockwise direction हो भने चाहिँ यो नेगेटिभ हुनु पर्ने थियो त यो पोजिटिभ दिएको कारणले गर्दा चाहिँ यो स्टेटमेन्ट के भयो false the statement is false So you can copy it. Now we'll do next question. So now we'll do next type of question, that is 14 number C. That also comes under very short answer type question. So number C is, let us fill in the blanks. Let us fill in the blanks now. So number 1 is pi radian is a dash angle. So this pi radian is a constant angle. Okay. So this pi radian is a constant angle. Okay. So pi radian is a dash means a constant angle. So that is your answer. Okay. So number 2, in sexagesimal system, 1 radian equals to dash approximately. So 1 radian equals to how many degrees? Sexagesimal system means 1 radian should be converted into degrees. Okay. So you know that pi radian is equal to what? 180 degree. So 1 radian is equal to what? 1 radian is equal to 180 degree divided by pi. But you cannot write there 180 degree by pi. You have to simplify this 180 degree divided by pi. So which is equal to, this is 180 degree divided by, what is pi here? It is 22 by 7. Which is equal to 180 degree into 7 upon 22. Which is equal, let us multiply it. 7 zeros are 0, 7 eights are 56, 6, 5, 7 ones are 7 plus 5 is 12. That is 1260 degree divided by 22. So let us convert it into degree, minutes and seconds. Okay. So now let us divide 1260 by 22. Let us divide this 1260 by 22, right? So 1260. So 5 times 5 2s are 10, 0, 1, 5 2s are 10 plus 1 is 11, right? So subtract it, 6, 1, 0. Now it is 7. 7 2s are 14, 4, 1, 7 2s are 14 plus 1 is 15. So it is, what is the remainder? 6. So it can be written as 57 degree, then 57, 6 by 22 degree. 6 by 22, this is degree. This is your 57 degree, that is correct. And this is also 6 by 22 degree. So now let us convert this fraction, that is 6 by 22 degree, into minutes. You know that 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. So which is equal to, this is 57 degree. So let us convert this degree into minutes. And you know that 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. So you have to multiply this 6 by 22 by 60 minutes. So which is equal to, this is your 57 degree. So now this is 360. 6 into 60, 360 divided by 22 minutes. So let us divide it. Now let us divide 360 by 22. This is 360 divided by what? 22. Okay. So 22 ones are 22. What is 6 minus 2? That is 4, 1, 0. Okay. Now 6 times 6. 6 2s are 12, 2, 1, 6 2s are 12 plus 1 is 13. 6 2s are 12, 2, 1, 6 2s are 12 plus 1 is 13. So it is 8. So we can write here, this is 57 degree. Now this is 16, 8 by 22. That is a mixed fraction. That is your minutes. So which is equal to 57 degree, 16 minutes, 8 by 22 minutes. Okay. So now let us convert this fraction, that is 8 by 22 minutes, into seconds. So it should be multiplied by 60. So this is 57 degree, 60 minutes, and this is 8 by 22 into 60 seconds. And you know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So in order to convert minute into seconds, you have to multiply it by 60. You know that, isn't it? So let us multiply them. 57 degree 16 minutes, then 8 6 are 48. 480 divided by 22 seconds. So let us divide it. 480 should be divided by 22, right? So it is I think 8 by 20. So it goes 2 times, isn't it? So it is 2 times. So 16 so it goes 2 times. So it is 2 2s are 4. This is 2 2s are 4, right? So 8 minus 4 is 4. Then it is 0. Then it goes 1 time. So it is 22, right? So let us subtract it. 8 and this is 3. 1.0. Okay. So now it is 8 times, I think. 8 2s are 16, 6. 1, 8 2s are 16 plus 1 is 17. And the remainder here is 4. So let us write it here. Approximate number 21.8. So this is 21.8 seconds will be there, isn't it? So let us write it in terms of whole number, not in terms of decimal fraction. Since this value is 5 and more than 5, so since this value is more than 5, you can add 1 to the previous number. You can write 22 seconds. So we can write here 57 degree 16 minute, 57 degrees 16 minute and 22 seconds approximately. That means 1 radian equals to 57 degree 16 minute 22 seconds approximately in sexagesimal system. So we can write here is equal to 57 degree 16 minute and 22 seconds approximately. So this is the value for 1 radian in terms of sexagesimal system. So approximately 1 radian equals to 57 degree 16 minutes 22 seconds in sexagesimal system. So that is the answer. So I think you have understood it. So you can copy it. तर तिमीलाई यो fill in the blanks मा लेख्दाखेरि योहरु गरि नरानु, याद गर्नु यो भ्यालु. So 1 radian equals to 57 degree 16 minutes and 22 seconds approximately in sexagesimal system. That is 1 radian equals to 57 degree 16 minutes and 22 seconds in sexagesimal system. So I think I've understood it. So I have derived this value, approximate value. तर तिमीले exam मा चाहिँ directly लेख्नु 1 radian equals to 57 degree 16 minutes 22 seconds. यो चाहिँ तिमीले याद गरेर लेख्नु पर्छ. ठीक छ? यो कपी गर्नु. We'll do next problem now. So now we'll do next question, that is C number 3. So let us fill in the blanks. The circular value of the supplementary angle of the measure 3 pi by 8 is dash. So one angle is 3 pi by 8. One angle is 3 pi by 8. And you have to find out the circular value of the supplementary angle of the measure 3 pi by 8 is dash. If one angle is 3 pi by 8, what is the other angle? That is, in this case, supplementary angle means sum of the two angles is equal to 180 degree. Or in terms of radian, it is pi radian. Okay? Circular value means you have to find out the other angle in terms of circular measure or in terms of radian. Okay? The circular value of the supplementary angle of the measure 3 pi by 8 is dash. So if one angle is 3 pi by 8 And you know that for supplementary angle, two angles are said to be supplementary angle. That means sum of the two angles is pi radian. So let us find out the other angle in terms of pi radian. Okay. So here one angle is equal to, so one angle is equal to what? 3 pi by 8. So what is the other angle now? So other angle is equal to, how can you find out the other angle? That is, supplementary angle means sum of these two angles must be equal to pi. So if you want to get the other angle, you should subtract this angle 3 pi by 8 from pi. Okay, so it is pi minus 3 pi by 8. So what's the LCM out here? It is 8. So 8 into pi is 8 pi minus 3 pi, which is equal to, it is 5 pi divided by 8. So we have got the answer. Okay, the circular value of the supplementary angle of the measure 3 pi by 8 is what? It is 5 pi by 8. So let us write it here. That is 5 pi by 8. So I think you have understood it. Okay. So what is the circular value of the supplementary angle of the measure 3 pi by 8? It is 5 pi by 8. So that is your answer. So I think you have understood it. So you can copy it. So this much is for today. त आज हामीले जति पनि प्रब्लम्सहरु हेर्यौं यो प्रब्लम सबै घरमा राम्रोसँग रिभिजन गर्नु जहाँ बुझ्दैन मलाई तिमीले फोन गरेर सोध्न सक्छौ or you can write down the comment. Okay, so in the next online class we will do short answer type of question on this chapter, concept of measurement of angles from trigonometry. So this much is for today.